Welcome to our review of the Cordless vacuum cleaner, your ultimate cleaning companion for any household. With a powerful 550-watt motor delivering an astounding 45 kilopascals hurricane suction, this vacuum handles everything from routine tidying to deep cleaning tasks with ease. Whether it's stubborn pet hair on carpets, crumbs on tiles, or fine dust on hard floors, its 3 adjustable modes ensure optimal performance. And here's the best part. It operates at a noise level of under 75 decibels, meaning you get incredible power without disturbing the peace of your home. This vacuum isn't just powerful, it's smart. Featuring an advanced LED touchscreen, it allows you to switch between 3 suction levels with just a tap. The screen displays the real-time battery life, so you'll never have to worry about running out of power mid-clean. It also notifies you of potential issues like dust cup overload or roller blockages, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning. This combination of technology and user-friendliness makes it an essential tool for modern homes. Clean air is just as important as clean floors, and this vacuum delivers both. Its 5-layer cyclone filtration system, complete with a HEPA filter, captures up to 99.99% of fine dust particles as small as 0.1 microns, ensuring fresh, pollutant-free air. For added convenience, the dust cup features a one-touch dump design, making disposal hygienic and hassle-free. The vacuum's ergonomic features, like the V-shaped roller brush and flexible swivel head, make it easy to maneuver under furniture and into corners. Plus, the built-in LED lights illuminate hidden dirt, leaving no spot untouched. Versatility is where this vacuum truly shines. With a modular design and detachable components, it effortlessly transforms from a full-size vacuum to a handheld device. The crevice tool is perfect for cleaning tight spaces like windowsills, frames, and car interiors, while the 2-in-1 furniture brush tackles curtains, sofas, and other soft furnishings. This vacuum adapts to your cleaning needs, making it suitable for every surface and situation. Designed with a self-standing feature, this vacuum allows you to take breaks anytime without needing extra support. Cleaning becomes easier, faster, and more efficient. Ready to upgrade your cleaning routine? The Cordless vacuum cleaner is the perfect choice for tackling household messes with ease. Click the link in the description to order yours today. Say goodbye to cleaning struggles and hello to a spotless home. Don't wait. Make your cleaning effortless today.